From my Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplift Sunday, and it's a very special Scraplift. It is Lisa Kingston's 5-year YouTube anniversary hop, and we are scraplifting her. Both Laura and I are going to have the same layout so that we can incorporate Scraplift Sunday and then incorporate Lisa Kingston's 5-year YouTube hop, because she asked a bunch of us ladies to do a scraplift, and it ended up matching up with the day that Laura and I do this, so it worked out perfect. We found, Laura actually found this layout, and I said, this is perfect. So what I did off camera, because I had to do a ton of punching, a ton of edging, my hands were blue, it made me frustrated, and all of this, you will see that I will be coming in with my own embellishments, and it's 3 stamps or 4 punches from close to my, or no, not close to my heart, Stampin' Up! That I used, and then I used Sapphire to edge all of these, and then I just put them all together. Now, I am scraplifting or scrapbooking with Fran, so we're working together. But when I did these little doohickeys that you see here, all these embellishments, I was part of the shenanigans that was happening on a Saturday during the Secret Not Secret Kit Club's party weekend. And yeah, this is how I got this done, and then I got this layout done a couple days later, because I needed to let these go, and then I was frustrated with these dumb things, but then these dumb things turned out to be wonderful. I love them, and I think that it turns out perfect for this photo. And this is of my daughter. It is when I had to go back to work in May to finish out the school year for last year's school year, so 2019-2020 school year. We had to go back in and get all of the laptops back from the kids and, you know, all of that stuff. Well, she had to come with me 1 or 2 of the days because Josh ended up having to work, and then obviously we had to bring her with, or I had to bring her with because I was able to. And she hopped out of the car, and she's like, Mom, you need to take a picture of this, post it on social media, and tell them that kids can do this too and wear them all day long so that we can get over this COVID. And I was like, you know what, girl? I'm taking that photo, and then I'm going to document it and do it here. So, and that's what I did. I posted about how she is very resilient, and she knows like what needs to be done, and she wears it every time she goes somewhere. She never questions when. She actually gets upset when she's like, Mom, why can't I find my mask? You know I need it. So she's really good about it. Always up on her face. She never takes it down or plays with it, just stays there. And I went, and total side note, I guess, I went to Old Navy's website because I needed a few new ones for me. I wanted to try out their newer ones that they came out with. So my masks that I wear for school are from Old Navy because they still do their job, but they're a little bit more breathable than other masks that I have tried. And let me tell you, I've gone through a lot of masks to figure out where, you know, which ones work best for me. And I went on there and I wanted to try the newer ones because I got the very first original, the pre-order ones, the very first ones that Old Navy ever came out with, and I love them. Do not get me wrong, they still have them, they're the best. But the newer ones, it's come out, and they've got Christmas, and they've got Valentine's Day, and some of the other ones, and the buffalo plaid that I love, and they had more neutral ones of white and black, gray and white, things like that. So it worked out perfect for me. So anyway, long story short, there you go. I ended up getting more for her, and she's absolutely ecstatic for the fact that she's got some gummy bear mask. So she was loving that. So yeah, so as I was doing all that, you saw me do my layering and all of that jazz, and here I am, I'm placing this down, and then you're gonna see me come in with obviously some more of this, but then you're going to come in with me doing a couple more of these embellishments to fill in the gaps after I put this down. And then after that, it's all embellishments, edging, and gold splatters. So make sure that now this time, make sure you check out everybody in the hop. You're going to have everybody that participated in the hop, along with obviously Laura's down below as well. So I'm just fixing this because I swear this thing never goes out when I'm not filming. I have yet to not have to do this on camera. I'm not going to turn it off. I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to leave it and I'm going to talk through because it is what it is. And for me, it's like, it doesn't take me long at all to change it out. It's easy peasy. But I am placing those flowers on top of some of my layering, just so that the flowers are a little bit on top. And then here I come in with these pieces. I decided to put these there, and then these guys in here. And then I think that's what I do there. No, I think I put in one more piece. I think I have one more to be able to put in there, I think. And then all of my embellishments, there it is. All of my embellishments are good to go. I absolutely positively love how these little embellishments turned out. I think that it matches the style of, she picked out hearts for the background, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to roll with these little embellishments. This collection is from Hip Kit, and it is their exclusive one for July, and it matches like the girl boy theme. There's tons of different, you could do anything and everything with this. So I rolled with all the blues and whatnot on here with some oranges, because Rainbow Dash is in her book bag and you can kind of see it peeking out of the greens and the oranges, and I wanted to play on that because the pink, she's wearing all pink. Her shoes are pink. All of it's pink, except for her book bag. And you really can't see the book bag other than the strap. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to put Game On, because I thought that that was going to work out wonderful for that. And so, yeah, that is about it. So while you're watching that, make sure you go check out everybody. If you are new to my channel and you're coming from the hop, yay, thank you, welcome. I hope that you enjoyed this layout from Lisa, or, you know, in doing her YouTube hop and everything. If you are new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do design team layouts, 12x12 layouts, traveler's notebooks, collaborations like this. And I'm going to have a fun December, so you've got to check out December Daily, December Documented, however you want to call it. That is coming up soon. I do have a group down below that I am going to have a monthly crop starting in November, and it's all that holiday type stuff to get you ready. All the thankful stuff, and then obviously December Daily type things, prompts. And I would love to see you over there, so make sure that you check that out as well. That'll be all linked down below. Here I go. Ooh, excuse me. All of the edging. And I am doing the sapphire. It's the same blue that I did all of these little embellishments that I made. And it's just that I'm wanting to add all these little bits and add that color tone to it, because I think it works out well for this layout. And I truly love all of these little bits and bobs, but man, I'm going to be honest with you, punching all of these out, making them all work, making sure that I didn't put the exact same piece on top of each other. And then I did also pop them up on little foam dots from Stampin' Up! As well. So yeah, I'm just edging along, and I'm just, you know, making sure that the blue is there and everything else in between, and whatever else heavy you want to say for that part, because man, that was the only part. I think that doing all of these embellishments, now I think I probably would have finished it a lot sooner if I wasn't part of the shenanigans that was going on for the monthly or the nightly Friday or Saturday thing from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, but ultimately at the end it took me probably about 45 minutes to get everything done and whatnot, but I am done. I'm coming in with my Sunset Strip from Shimmer's Paints as my splatters. I'm going to leave you with that. The still shots are coming up. You're going to see the little embellishments a lot closer. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.